to a new user, Phil. So Phil is going to be in purchasing. So Phil cares more about the documentation and details rather than just like the specific part data. You'll see as we sign in that we do have different apps. So we have some part collection apps, but just the drawings and the view part list, so less options there. Unlike Mike, Phil has the ability to view documents and view document structures. We're going to start with the view document. Like we saw with a part, you can search. You can do a search based off of the name or the number. We can also have saved searches that group documents together. So in this case, we have a few different filters that we can have applied. And similar to before, you just select on the document that you're interested in, and it's going to take you to details about that, as well as download it for you to review. So easy access for anyone who would need to just come in, find a document, be able to read through it, get what they need, and then leave. Now, we can have other information in here too, like additional details, attribute numbers, any attachments. So even as a document, we can have additional attachments here that we want to be able to show, and users can still easily see all of that detail about whatever object it is, in this case, the second document. From here, we can also view it inside of Windchill. So this part is completely configurable too. So you can decide whether or not you want your users to be able to do this. If you would like for them to be able to see all the detail in here in the Windchill page, this can be used as a simple search, and then you can dig right in further in Windchill. Again, they can always do that. You can always limit it as well. Coming back to the Navigate home screen, we'll take a look at the View Document Structure app. With the View Document Structure, this allows us to look at something similar to a part structure, but instead, shocking, for documents. So in this case, we have some material safety data sheets, and we've made a top-level document as the overall holder for these. And then under each of them, we have individual documents and sheets for the materials and what safety protocols apply to them. This shows how documents are related and then allows users from Windchill, from the Windchill side, to create relations and even problem reports. So we can always report a problem on something as well. In this case, we're going to say that this document is outdated and that it needs to have some new information and something needs to be checked in it. Well, as Phil, I can directly report a problem on this document and push that to Windchill, then kicking off the review process in Windchill and possibly, of course, a change process from there. So this really gives users that ability to be more involved and allows you to expand the list of reviewers that you can have by being able to have people review and report problems on anything that they find, really democratizing that for the entire company so that you can have more eyes on that data. Lastly, as Phil, we are going to take a look at the download drawing bundle, one of my favorites. So we saw the ability to look at drawings earlier for individual parts. What this is going to allow you to do is be more specific with multiple parts. So you can say which formats you're interested in, whether you want it to just be a PDF, however you want it, whatever specific file type you want, or you can leave all of them in there. And then you just put a list of the part numbers that you want to pull all the drawings for. We will generate a zip file of that data. And when it goes through and generates this, it's going to check all the part numbers, and it will let you know once it's done if anything was not found. So if any numbers didn't match something, or if it did find the part number, but there wasn't a drawing. In this case, all drawings were found, so all 4 parts, and all 4 parts had drawings. Now from here, you can either open up any of these individually, or as I mentioned, let's download that zip file and be able to review all of the drawings for those different individual components that you had listed out there. So that all looks good.